TikTok is now the trendsetter of new beauty hacks to crazy DIY ones. Whenever you scroll the TikTok feed, you will see thousands of feeds showing crazy beauty ideas. And when it comes to nails, a pretty classy nail art always costs a bit hard in our pockets. But this new jelly nail trend that recently got viral in TikTok will cost nothing in comparison, and you will get beautiful tinted transparent nails with this simple hack. So let's check out where this hack comes from and how to create these easy peasy jelly nails. This year, we saw many TikTok trends coming inspired from the greatest decades ever, the 90s and 2000s. The hair tinsels and white concealer hack is one of those examples. And adding the throwback era, jelly nails have nailed the bench by creating the coolest trend ever. This tinted paint creates a dainty, glossy, and jelly-like transparency to the nails and makes perfect spring and summer nails. Also, with 140 million views on the app, #JellyNails has made its way to the heart of beauty tubers and beauty talkers. And the biggest reason behind is the ease and low cost of creating this hack. So, let's check how to create this 2000s inspired jelly nail trend. For creating these jelly nails, you will be needed 1 bottle of clear nail polish, 1 bottle of any colored nail polish, 1 bottle of top coat, nail polish dryer, For creating your desired jelly nails, first you have to clean your nails properly, as the nail paint is see-through, so a little bit of stain on nails can mess the whole look. If you're going for a press-on and top for a clear nail tip, then you should use clear nail glue to create a clear base. You can also put a clear base coat to ensure the sustainability of jelly nails. Now the base is ready, let's mix the colored paint with a clear one. Remember, just 1 or 2 drops of colored nail polish should be diluted with a full bottle of clear polish. If you want the more dark or light, you can add a little more or less to get your desired color. We suggest you use brighter colors as they make the best jelly versions than nude ones. For that, you can look at Sally Hansen's Hard as Nails Extreme Wear Polishes. It has a bunch of beautiful colors in the collection and you'll love to try them out. Now the color is ready, it's time to paint the nails. Apply the diluted nail paint on the nail in thin layers. It will avoid any kind of streaks or bubbles on nails. After applying the paint, dry the color with a nail dryer, or you can air dry it if you don't have a dryer. When the nail color dries properly, apply a top coat to create a shiny effect. For that, you can use Segway Dry Fast Top Nail Coat. It has the most popular and award-winning shine that will beautify your jelly nails more than you thought. With that last step, you are now ready to flaunt your jelly nails on TikTok or Instagram, wherever you want. To make this nail more appealing and attention-grabbing, you can try on some nail art or color effects to make the best version of jelly nails. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your nail paints and color your nails with the new trends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends if you find our videos useful. Be sure to subscribe and press that notification bell for more updates in the future.